Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to create a bootable USB for Windows 10. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a bootable USB that you can use to install Windows 10 on your PC. Before you begin, there are some requirements that you will need: a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage, a Windows 10 ISO file, and obviously a computer with USB port and internet connection. And lastly, you need to download the Windows Media Creation tool. The Windows Media Creation tool will help us to download the official Windows 10 ISO file and is also capable of creating a bootable USB flash drive without using the third-party program like Rufus. But in the second part of this video, I have also shown you how to use Rufus to create a bootable USB flash drive, so you can follow whatever is easy for you. All the download links are given in the description. After downloading the media creation tool, run it. Accept the terms and conditions. Now select the Create Installation Media option and click Next. Now as you can see, it is loading the recommended options from your current PC. If you want to install Windows on another PC with different configuration, then you can uncheck this and select your system bit version. If you are not sure about 64 or 32-bit, then select both. On the next screen, you will get two options: USB flash drive and ISO file. If you have USB flash drive connected to PC, otherwise select the ISO file and it will download the ISO file that you can later flash it with Rufus. My USB is connected, so I am selecting the flash drive option. Make sure it is listed, otherwise click on the refresh drive list and it should load it. Now at this point, it is now downloading the Windows 10 file and later will verify it and then make a bootable flash drive. Now as you can see, it has started downloading Windows 10 file. Now depending on your download speed, it can take around 30 to 40 minutes to make a bootable flash drive. So you need to have some patience while it does it for you. Now as you can see, verifying your download. Now it's saying creating Windows 10 media. So you are almost done. You can click on finish. Now to verify that your USB flash drive is bootable, go to this PC, refresh and open the flash drive. Now as you can see, all the setup files are copied. Second part of this video, I will show you how to download Rufus and make a bootable USB using the Windows 10 ISO file. First of all, download the Rufus tool. The link is given in the description. I am dragging it to the folder. All files are here. Windows 10 ISO. If it is not downloaded, then I am showing you again how to download the ISO file. Run the Windows Media Creation tool. Accept the terms and conditions. Create installation media and now use the recommended settings. Now at this point you need to select the ISO file and click next. Now you need to select the destination folder where it will save the file. So I am selecting download folder in programs and click save. Now it will start downloading the Windows 10 ISO. Depending on your download speed, it can take around 20 to 30 minutes. So please have some patience while it downloads the. I will cancel this because I have already downloaded the ISO. As you can see, it is there. So I will quit this. Now run Rufus. Now make sure your USB is connected to PC. As you can see, it is there. Now select the ISO file, Windows ISO. Now select the standard Windows installation. Now here you are getting GPT and MBR. The main difference between MBR and GPT Partition is that MBR has some limitation for modern usage. For example, MBR in particular can only handle 2 TB of drive space and 4 primary partition, which is enough for 90% of users. If you are doing something more, then you can select the GPT, which has no partition limit, but for this you will need to boot your window into UEFI mode. That will help you to install the Windows. For MBR you don't need to make any changes. You will just boot into BIOS and it will start installing the Windows. So I will select MBR. Now click on the start button. Now it is asking again for username. You can change it to whatever. You can also set the same regional options. Now it will start formatting your USB and copy the files. Now it will take around 5 to 6 minutes. So we are almost done. Congratulations, you have successfully created a bootable Windows 10 flash drive. We hope that this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.